To troubleshoot Vault Azure Auth, start by understanding the authentication flow between Vault and Azure. Azure Auth in Vault allows users to authenticate using their Azure Active Directory credentials. The first step is to verify the Azure Auth backend is enabled and configured in Vault. Check the Vault configuration file or use the Vault CLI command to list all enabled Auth backends. Next, ensure the Azure Tenant ID, Client ID, and Client Secret are correctly configured in Vault. These values are used to authenticate with Azure Active Directory. You can verify these settings using the Vault CLI command to read the Azure Auth backend. Configuration. If users are unable to authenticate, check the Azure Active Directory configuration to ensure the client ID and client secret match the values in Vault. Also, verify the Azure Tenant ID is correct and the user has the necessary permissions to authenticate. Another common issue is incorrect Azure role assignments. In Vault, Azure roles are used to map Azure Active Directory groups to Vault policies. Verify the Azure role assignments are correctly configured in Vault and match the Azure Active Directory group memberships. To troubleshoot authentication issues, use the Vault logs to identify any error messages. The logs can provide valuable information about the authentication flow and help identify the root cause of the issue. You can also use the Vault CLI command to test the Azure Auth backend configuration. Best practices for troubleshooting Vault Azure Auth include regularly verifying the Azure Auth backend configuration, monitoring the Vault logs for authentication errors, and testing the Azure Auth backend configuration using the Vault CLI command. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly identify and resolve authentication issues with Vault Azure Auth.